Hey, welcome back to the Ingrid Norton channel. Today we are going to be unboxing a pair of shoes that I just recently purchased. So I purchased it like 3 days ago. It's like already here. And I got it from Shoe Carnival. Okay, like it's backwards. My camera's flipped. So I'm really excited to show you what I got. Let's get this. So, my favorite shoe store, Shoe Carnival, in case you didn't know. Here we go. So I wanted to get a shoe that was comfortable, but not too pricey. And there's this brand called, okay, and that's also backwards now, Solanz, spelled S-O-L-A-N-Z, Solanz. And I got my little thing in case I need to return it, but I won't be because I already love the shoe. So I've already bought this before, so I know that it fits. Like I went in store to my little Shoe Carnival, made sure it was comfortable, and then bought it, but they got ruined in the rain. So I work at a school, and on a particular day, they had me go outside the building to where there's like other classrooms in these like kind of like mobile trailer kind of things, structures, and there's some classrooms held in there. And so it was like raining and my shoes got ruined and they didn't dry very well. So don't get these wet. But they are, so they're like flat black shoes. They're perfect for like career women. Something that's comfortable, but not like, you're not gonna be in heels all day, okay? This is not like a law firm show where everyone wears heels, you know, to look super hot and sexy for 8 hours. Okay, this is like real life. So real life women wear comfy shoes that look stylish and classy. So here we go. Solanz, it's got like this like squishy support. So for people like me that have feet that you just can't wear flat shoes anymore, okay, this is it. This is like the comfiness. I do add a layer of like extra foam to make it like super extra comfy. But anyway, they're comfy on their own. Like you don't need the memory foam. I just do that because my feet were killing me recently and I went to the podiatrist and he said that I had plantar fasciitis. I'm like, what the heck is plantar fasciitis? Like, I'm not supposed to have feet problem. Like, I am 35, okay? So I'm supposed to have fabulous health until I'm at least 75. And he's like, oh, it's amazing. You'd be surprised at like how many young people have feet delios, feet issues. And I'm like, okay, so what's plantar fasciitis? And he explained that like at the bottom, okay, I'm just gonna use the shoe here because I have a model. The bottom of your foot, pretend there's like a big rubber band, like a thick elastic band that goes from the heel to your like toe area. Well, sometimes it gets really tightened. And so in the morning, say I've been walking, hasn't been getting stretched at all, it's really tight and it hurts. And so your foot will hurt in the morning when you first stand up and I feel like you can't really walk very well. You'll feel like an old crippled person, okay? Like literally. So basically you just have to like stretch it out and they show you like the stretches that you should do. And then within a few months it heals. So it goes away. It's not like some lifelong thing. It's like a temporary thing. But for people that like stand on their feet for their job, like they're on their feet a lot, that's not very good. So anyway, don't lay on your feet all the time, but you need comfy shoes if you're going to be on your feet, and these are them. So my fabulous Solanz black flats, they're called the Charlottes. So I really like them because I wear them with dresses. Like I don't wear dresses all the time, but when I want to wear a dress, I have one that can go with like a floor length dress, and then one that could also go with like, you know, the trouser type pants, you know, the business suit type pants when I feel like wearing pants. Okay, so these are the multi-purpose type shoe that goes with everything. So I wore these all the time. So Shoe Carnival's the place to go. And need I mention that I bought these like 2 weeks ago. These ones, of course, I wasn't planning on showing these, but $5. It's a Nine West brand, Nine West. And I think these were like size 9, 10, and they don't really wear like an 8 because I wanted it to be like super squishy. So they're a little bigger, Nine West. Okay, and it's let's show you the ugly bottom part of my shoe, and it's backwards, but 9 West, and it's a large. So if you happen to be an 8, you'll probably want to get like a size up, because it was like 7, 8 or 9, 10, and there's no like 8, 9. So I bought like the bigger size, and it's like extra comfy, and it's like fuzzy. It's like perfect. Like you could sleep on this. Okay, like that's how comfy they are. And I bought that, and I was expecting slippers to be like, I don't know, $15 maybe. It was $5. It was on sale. So it's a place to go. And of course, at the time we're recording this, it is nearing the end of February of 2023. So in the future, if it happens to be February of a different year, that's the time to go with slippers on a discount at Shoe Carnival. Just to help you. You're welcome. Anyway, this is the shoe. So if you need a career shoe that goes with dresses or like pants, this is it. This is it. The perfect Charlotte Solons brand shoe. So Charlotte's is the name of the shoe. It's the Solons brand. So the brand isn't Charlotte Solons. It's just Solons as the brand. And then the title of the shoe is Charlotte, just to clarify. It's so comfy, and I'm so happy, and I'll live happily ever after with the shoes, just so you know. Okay, that's all. Hope you like this unboxing of the Shoe Carnival purchase. And they are not sponsoring this. Shoe Carnival, if you're watching this in 5, 4, 3 years time, I will absolutely do a deal with you. I just love their shoes. So I feel like I used to be a fan of Payless, but then Payless, they got rid of their like physical stores. They still have, I think, like an online presence, but because I don't see them physically everywhere, I forget that they kind of exist. And so I've resorted to like going to a different store, and that was and has been Shoe Carnival, just because I need to try them on. Some people can order shoes online and like guess and like not know if it's gonna fit until it gets there, and then you have to send it back, and I don't like doing that. I'd like to try them in the store to make sure they fit, so I'm not playing merry-go-round with shipping back boxes. But once I know that it fits, then I'll get in store. But these were not in store the other day when I was like trying these on. They didn't have it in my size. I was like, dang it. Anyway, so these are the shoes to get if you're looking for them. Anyway, hope all is well with you guys wherever you're at in the world, and we will talk to you later. Bye. Thanks for joining.